Discrete manufacturers operating in make-to-order, assemble-to-order, and mixed-mode environments where flexibility and efficiency are critical need more than a one-size-fits-all solution. Aptean Made to Manage ERP delivers tailored functionality that empowers discrete manufacturers to create more accurate and dependable plans, gain visibility into job costs and profits, improve on-time delivery rates, and respond quickly to customer demands. To meet your targeted delivery dates, you need to build the right jobs at the right time. Made to Manage ERP's advanced scheduling application can help you achieve maximum throughput with easy-to-use drag-and-drop Gantt chart tools that make it simple to view and edit schedules, reschedule runs, set capacity constraints, and manage multiple work centers in a single view, all in 5 minutes or less. With just a few clicks, you can view all jobs by due date, isolate the jobs that may be late, and drill down to see the cause. In one seamless and efficient workflow, link directly to the Gantt tool, easily add capacity, and address any materials issues. When creating a sales order or a quote, you can also confidently set delivery dates using real-time capable to promise. Tracking job costs and profits is simple. Using the real-time margin analyzer, you can compare actual costs against estimates at any point in the production process. This flexible system allows each user to personalize their view to see what they want to see, how they want to see it, and easily export to PDF or Excel. Made by manufacturers for manufacturers in dynamic environments, Made to Manage ERP delivers the user-friendly features you need to plan, schedule, execute, and track operations with full visibility and control from beginning to end. To learn more, please contact us today.